Internet, what is up? We are back again. Oh my goodness, we have shoe unboxings. Oh, shoe unboxings are a thing I do, right? Let's see what these are all about. This time, I get to actually unbox something before its official release. Hooray for that. Um, so this shoe here released at skate shops. Um, this video is being recorded on a Monday. They were released. These shoes were released last week on Thursday. I ordered them Friday morning. Um, they shipped over the weekend. Internet. That's what happened. Um, yeah, they get released this Thursday. Thursday? I don't know. No, they get released tomorrow. Nike SB purple box. We like the purple boxes. We like the Nike SB, don't we? I do. Yeah, I like it. Box. I'm gonna put this over here. I'll get that later. I'll clean it up. Nike SB. Proper good box. Let's see here. I'm gonna let you read that. Let's see if we can get some. Let's see if we can get some focusing done here. Come on. There we go. Focused. Nike SB. Nike SB Air Force One. Let's read what this says. Let's read words. Nike SB Air Force One. Light chocolate and black. Ooh, we like chocolate. Chocolate's delicious. Chocolate is delicious in my mouth. These things just got really... Oh, look at that. Look at that, Internet. Look at that. That's what these are. There we go. How nice is that? How nice is that? Huh. Nike SB. Hold on just a second. Let me reach over here. I'm going to try this number. There we go. Hey, a little better lighting. Look at that. I need to pay more attention to detail in prepping for you people. There we go. We got that going on. We got Nike SB Air Force One. I already said that part. This is all right. This ain't bad. Yeah, we got a little suede here. I'm just taking a look. I'm taking it all in. I'm soaking it all in, Internet. That's what I'm doing here. Making sure we're good. Got the little Dubray there on the front. Can y'all see that? That says SB1. That means skateboarding. We got some chocolate, light chocolate. I like chocolate. Chocolate's delicious. I'm not going to eat these though. I'm going to take this little piece of paper out of here. They don't give us shoe trees. I'm going to throw that over in the box. Look at that. What do we got here? We got things. We got things and we got stuff. We got the SB outsole here in a light chocolate brown. We got the little pivot points here with the loopy circles. We got some loopy circles at the bottom with a pivot point. We got the little black hint right here. That's Phylon. You know what? David Bluetile, he does shoe reviews. He owns skate shops. He owns skate shops over in South Carolina. I've been to South Carolina. I haven't been to his skate shops, but I own some of his stuff. There we go. What do we got? We got the midsole that's all black. We got the swooshes that are all black. Those are nice. Yeah, we got some decent suede here. I'll tell you what I'm going to do here, Internet. I'm going to jump in here. I am going to uh-oh, there's a little sticker there. There's a little sticker there on the side. Looks like it came out of this shoe. Got stuck on the other shoe. I don't need that sticker. I already know what size it is. It's a 9.5. We got this here. We got some black laces. Those are nice. Those aren't the standard SB. Those are more round than they are oval, I think. Maybe they're not. I don't know. It doesn't matter. Does it matter, Internet? I don't think so. I got a bunch of black laces sitting around. Whatever. Let's see. I'm going to do this number. I'm going to do things. I'm going to take this out. I'm going to take this thing out and throw it over into the box. I told you I'll throw that shit away later. There we go. Let's do this. There you go. I'll let you see. You already saw the little pivot points in the roundy circles. There you are. It says Nike SB on the bottom. You see where it says that? There it is. That's so you can read it. That's Phylon. I already told you about that part. I told you about that on the other shoe. It's on both. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. We got the Nike SB. Oh, what is this? What is this? I'm gonna throw this out there to David Blue Tile. He does this. He shows you, he takes the sticker and he opens it up. I'm gonna set this over here. That'll go in my folder with the other stickers. All right. Paper in here. It's standard SB paper. It's got the little wood grain on it. Little wood grain. I don't know why they do the wood grain. I don't know what that's all about. I'll tell you here though, Internet. Let's see. I'm gonna reach in here. Let's do it this way. Let's do it this way, Internet. Let's go here. I'm gonna take this out. What do we got here? We got the insole. It's brown. It shows. It's got little lines on it, little circly lines. I'm gonna take this sticker off here too, because again, I told you I already know what size it is. I don't need to know what size. And I don't keep these things so that I can sell them, so I don't care if the sticker's on there. I'm going to wear them. I kind of like having new release shoes. I kind of like it. Yeah, I'm going to put this sticker on here. I'll put it inside the box. We'll put them over there. I'm going to set this box over here. We'll get back to this. We'll get back to it. Here we are. Yeah, this is all right. If you didn't notice, I did another video. I did that whole that whole haul. They call it a haul. I did that from the StockX Live, and I ordered a bunch of nonsense. Is what I did, Internet. Ordered a bunch of nonsense, and part of that nonsense, I ordered these SB Air Force Ones. I ordered them in the flax colorway. They had a little spot on them. They came from 440 Kicks. 440 Kicks is over in Ohio somewhere, if I remember correctly. That guy seems like he's okay. He has spiky hair. But he's on the StockX Live. I got those cheap. And then I thought, hey, these are coming out. I asked the wife. I said, hey, do I need some chocolate brown shoes? And she said, yes. That's nice. I like when she says yes to me buying shit. I buy her a lot of shit, though, so it's okay. Yeah, what do we got here? We got the back. I'll show you the back. Nike SB Air. The little insole, it didn't have, did we notice that? It didn't have a little air pocket in it like the Dunks do. I don't think the other ones that I have do either. That's okay, though. I did try the other ones on. I made sure to clean them up a little bit and whatnot, and they seemed to fit right, so I was able to get the right size, and I went true to size. TTS, true to size. That's what they call it, Internet. So I went true to size on these. We got the little front here, the little tongue tag. It says Nike. It says Nike SB. SB means skateboard. Air Force One. Yeah, I don't have a ton of Air Force Ones. I don't know what a ton of shoes is. That's not a good that's not a good word for me to use, I think, because ton means like 2,000, and I don't have that many, but I have several Air Force Ones. I haven't had Air Force Ones until recently. I got the Supreme ones back there on the shelf, and I got the Kith. The Kith Air Force Ones, the unlinens, those are gonna be swanky Air Force Ones. Those are gonna be nice. I'm waiting on those. They make them to order. I gotta wait for those to get here, and then I got another pair. You can't see them on the shelf because I put them on a different box and whatever. I got the A Ma Manière. You'll see something about that. That might be coming out this weekend. It all depends on when you watch it. All depends on when you're watching this video, which is kind of that's a whole thing. I can't tell when you're going to be watching it, and I kind of assume that nobody's going to be watching this according to YouTube statistics and analytics. Nobody's watching this shit anyway. I'm just doing it for my own personal reasons to quell my own boredom. That's what I do. Look at that. We got the little stars. Nobody's worn them yet. These are all nice. You got the stars on the backside. That's what they talk about on the internet. On the StockX Live, they want to tell you how good shoes are because it's got all the stars, meaning that if they're used, nobody's worn them out yet. That's how you can tell if your shoes are worn out, if the stars are there. Whatever. All right, I kind of like these, Internet. Internet, I kind of like them. They're okay. They're brown. I didn't really have a pair of all brown and black shoes before. I think if I were to have a personal criticism, and this is subjective. This is subjective. I'm not sure about the black midsole. That's maybe the only design thing I would have changed. I wonder how they'd look with the gum midsole. I wonder how that would look. It doesn't matter. Nike's not asking me to design shoes. They're not asking me for my creative input. They're just happy because I'm buying shit from them. They get a lot of my money. What do you think? What do you think? That's nice. I'm going to do this number. There we go. We're going to do that. Oh, fancy. Fancy. So we got this. So yeah, I got the Supreme Air Force Ones. I got the Kith Air Force Ones on the way. I got the A Ma Manière Air Force Ones, and then I got the SBs in flax. Do I need to get the light Orwood ones? Do I need to get those light ones with the pink? I kind of think I might need to do that. You tell me, Internet. Tell me if I need to get those. There you go. Look at that. Ooh, that's a thing. I don't know if I'm going to swap these laces. I might try it. I'm going to wait. I'm going to wait, and I'm going to see what Ben over at Pinoy Manshaft does. He does a lot of sneaker unboxing videos. He does way, way better than I do. And then he does the lace swaps, and he edits his videos. I just get on here and I talk about my nonsense, and I don't have a script. I just I wing it. I wing it, Internet. Okay. So these are brand new. They're not public release yet. They're only skate shop release, and I got them. I ordered these. I ordered these from a different company. I had never used them before. Never used Underground Skate Shop out of New Jersey. Would you like me to tell you why I brought them from Underground Skate Shop in New Jersey? It's because New Jersey doesn't charge you sales tax. Here in Missouri, in the middle America, and if I order from like Michigan, or if I order from Florida, or if I order from pretty much anywhere else, they charge me the sales tax. So this here, I didn't pay sales tax on these. That was worth it. And I ordered them on a Friday morning, received them on Monday. That's pretty good. That's pretty fast turnaround. No sales tax. I was going to go buy them from my local skate shop, and I thought, hey, let me try out Underground. Now, very, very quick shipping. I was surprised to see that they actually went out to the UPS on Friday, and then they got sent over my way, and I appreciate that. What I didn't see in the little box here, they didn't put a receipt. And they didn't put a skate shop sticker. Most of the other skate shops, if I order from skate shops, I get a little skate shop sticker. I'm going to look back in the box. I'll grab that here. Here you go. I'll look back in here. Did we get anything that I missed? No. There's no underground skate shop sticker in here, internet. But we got the purple box. That's nice. We got this. We got the shoes. Okay, I didn't pay sales tax. I paid exactly retail for them, and I'm okay with that. These are going to go on my shelf, and I'll wear these when I need a brown shoe, I'll have one. Do we all need a brown shoe? Maybe. All right, whatever. This has taken several minutes. I'm going to put this up. This is, you're not still watching anyway. It doesn't matter. Those of you that are, like, comment, subscribe, leave a comment. Don't say mean shit. Don't say mean shit in my comments, internet. All right, we're done with that. We got these. They're nice, good quality. I kind of like them. Yeah, I'm okay with all this. You do your thing. You be good people, okay? Thanks.